Hello everyone. So my name is Ashish Pal Singh and I am your instructor for this course. I am working in QCS DC Lab which is located in Bangalore. So today as I have started the Sensible course and I have videos before also where I have explained you what is Sensible configuration file, where I have explained you what is inventory, how to write the configuration file, how to write the inventory files, and what is ad hoc commands. So now I am going to start something with playbooks. Basically, what is playbook? Playbook is some set of plays, and what is plays? Some set of tasks. I can say. Now, before that, what I will do, I am going to create one WimRC file. What it will do? It will create some indentation line which will be helpful to me while writing the playbooks because playbook just need the proper indentation should be proper so that whatever the code I'm writing it should be in a proper indentation. What I will do here, I'm going to write one dot vimrc file. What I will say set auto indentation set tab equals to 2, and I will say set and tab, and I will say set cursor column. Now, what does this mean now? Now, while I will open any file, I will say play book one. Right now I am here. I'm in the wrong path. I need to go somewhere here. Here I need to write my playbook. Now I will again write my vimrc file. I will say set AI. I will say set it equals to 2. I will say set tab. I will say set cursor. Now what this mean? Spelling is mistake. It should be a proper spelling, otherwise it will give me error. Cursor column. Now I will write one playbook. I will say playbook dot YML, or I can write it YML or YAML. Anything I can write. I prefer YML shortcut. So there is some mistake in the vimrc file. I will come out. What it is saying me. This I will open that file. I will say it's set et and it is tab equals to 2. Error was there. So this error will help me to do the things now here. Now, how to write a playbook? First of all, I can just start with hyphen list. I'm just giving what is the name of my whole playbook. I will say creating my first playbook. Now check, one line is coming here. What is that? The cursor column I have set. This indentation line is due to that vimrc file I have created. Now I have to mention my hosts. What is my host? Basically on which manage node I want to do my task. I can define the group name also. I can define particularly server name also. I can particularly define all also. All will it will do the task on everything. Now what task I want to do? This is one play I'm going to write. I will say tasks. Inside one play I can have multiple tasks, and inside one playbook I can have multiple plays. What is play? Basically play on which host they are going to run, and inside play what task they will run on particular hosts. Now what I will do, I will say hyphen again name I am writing. I'm writing adding the user. Now for adding the user I need a module which will helping me to add a user. I'll go there. I will simply say ssh root at the data of workstation. I will say ansible hyphen doc. I will say user. I will particularly search for this module. Now I will search for something examples here. Now check. You have to copy and paste it. Nothing. Also copy. I'll go there. What I will say, I will paste it here. Just write this parameters should be proper. I am using one module. Inside the module, the parameters are name, command, UID, and group. If you want to define, you can define. If you want to delete, you can delete. Now what I will say, my name is John. comment gcost value, and their UID is this. This is my one play. I will close this. And how to start a playbook? It's a better option to start the playbook something with hyphen 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 and close the playbook using dot dot dot. This is the starting and ending of a playbook. Now I will close my playbook. I will say Ansible hyphen playbook. Then playbook name. First of all, I need to check whatever the playbook I have written is correct or not. Means whatever the syntax inside that playbook is correct or not. I will say hyphen hyphen syntax. Now it is saying playbook.yml means my properly syntax is proper. Suppose if I have done some mistake here, by mistake suppose what I have done something like this. When I will try to run, it will give me error. They are saying syntax error while loading YAML file. So they are saying somewhere in the line 9, column 9, but maybe elsewhere. So I will open my file. I will check line 9, column 9. This is this is the improper indentation. I will go there. I will set my indentation and I will run. Now, before running the playbook, I will dry run it. What do you mean by dry run? Means it will execute the playbook, but it won't deploy anything on my managed host. I can check simply hyphen capital C. What capital C will do? Capital C will run my playbook properly the way it works. Means my playbook is running properly, but it is not deploying anything. It's just a dry run, which is just showing me, okay, my playbook is running fine. It is not giving me any error. So in the real-time environment, I won't directly run my playbook. Firstly, I will dry run it so that if any mistake is there, they will show me here only. Now I have done everything correct. Now I will remove this. Now before that, if you want to check like whether this dry run haven't done any changes or there, I will just run one ad hoc command. I will say Ansible. I will say all. I will say hyphen m module. What is the module? I will say shell module I am using, and I will say hyphen a, and I will say cat slash etc. I will say tail hyphen n3 slash etc slash password. Now check. They haven't added that user, but I have added. Now I will run my playbook. And I will show you one more function of the playbook, that is the playbook's Ansible is idempotent. Idempotent means, now suppose what they have done. They have added the users and they are saying change status equals to 1. 1 means properly they have done. Now what I will do, I will run this playbook again. Now check what they will say. Change equals to 0. Idempotency means once the task has been done, if I am doing the same task again, they will not affect that task again. They will not do any changes regarding that particular task. This is how I am going to write a play. Now I am going to write play with two tasks. I am saying vim, I say playbook 2.yml. Now what I am doing, I am again saying starting with hyphen hyphen hyphen. I will say hyphen name. I will say creating a second playbook. Second playbook. Now I am saying hosts. What is my host? I will say all, or I will say I'll go out, come out. I will say vim inventory. I will say non-prod. I will come out. I will here say non-prod. Now I will say tasks. Now inside tasks I will say name. Name I will say creating. I will say creating a directory somewhere. I will say I'll go here. I will say quit. I will Ansible doc. I will say something fine. Now I will search for examples. Now here I will check if I can get any example there. I'll copy this. I'll come this. I will place it here. Now this is one task. Now I'm going to write second task. The indentation should be proper of the task. I will say creating a content in the file. I will say copy module. Inside copy module, what I will use? Everything I will get in the Ansible doc. Nothing to worry. I'll go there. I will search for example. I'll come there. Is there any something with content? They are not giving me anything. So I will check here what things I can use with this module. They are saying you can use content. I can use content. I will say content. CONTENT content. I will say my second playbook. Now what is my destination? I will say /etc slash some directory, and I will say my play.txt, some file I have created. This is one play with two tasks. I will check Ansible -playbook. So it's the playbook2.yml. It is running, creating directory. Now means they have done the work. Using the ad hoc command, I will say Ansible non-prod. I will check -m. I am using shell. Two modules are there, shell and command. These are the non-idempotent, means the number of times I will run, they will show always a change status. But rest of the Ansible follow idempotency. I'll say -a. I will say cat/etc. What are the directory name I have created? I just forgot the name of the directory. But I will say I will open my playbook. This was my file. Copy this. Copy. I will say now check my second play, means my playbook has run successfully. They have created the directories, they have created a file, and they have created the content, whatever the content I want to inside. Now there will be doubt like how we will get to know like what are the modules used for what purpose. Ansible is all about practice. The how much you practice, the more you will get the, I will say, modules. Because without practice, you will not get to know like what module you use for what purpose. Basically, you can get this in online also. Like if you want to do this task, how which module you can get, you can search in Google and you can get the things. But what that particular module is doing, if you will not practice it, you will not get to know what that particular module is going to do. Now this is something. Now I will say Vim. I'm going to create one playbook consist of two plays, not one play with two tasks. I'm saying two plays. Playbook3.yml. Now I will say what I will do. I will say copy playbook2.yml to playbook. I will say 3.yml. Okay. I have copied there. I will say Vim playbook3.yml. Now what I will do. Now it is one task. I will say etc Ashish and I will say Ashish. Now this is one play with two tasks. Now I am writing second play. Second play again start with the from how the first play I have started. The same way I have to start my second play. I will say second creating second play. I will saying creating first I will say creating first play. Here I will say creating second play. Now here host I will say div. I will say task. I will say name. I will say something creating a directory. I will say file. Now this module can they have their own order, own I will say indentation. I will say path slash temp slash eps. I will say state. I will say directory. I will say mode. Okay, 77777. Anything you can have. If you are giving code, if you are not giving code, it will not bother for that. Now I will run my playbook. Ansible hyphen playbook. I will say playbook 3.yml and I will check something hyphen syntax. Now there is something option. I am getting one no such option hyphen s. Some option is error is coming with s. So let me check where is the error I am getting. It is something hyphen syntax. My playbook is correct. I will say Ansible hyphen playbook. I will say playbook 3.yml. Now let me check that playbook is running properly. Okay. Now check. If you check here, it is creating the first play. They are gathering the facts, creating the directory, creating a content. Now again, they are again gathering the facts because now second play started and they are saying creating second play. Now here, if you check, they are saying play inside play tasks. Then second play, they are giving us task. So every play contains different number of tasks, and every playbook can contain one play with multiple tasks or multiple play with multiple tasks. This is how Ansible is doing their work. Now I can show you playbook again. What that playbook has done on the non-prod, they have created the directory with the Ashish name in the etc directory, and they have created the content my second playbook, and they have done this playbook and they have done this way. So this is how I can write my playbooks in number of ways. This is I have shown you the examples of playbook, how to write a playbook, how to write a single play, and how to write a multiple plays in one playbook. Now in the next video we will check about how to use the conditions and how to use the variables in my playbooks. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you all like this video.